So guys, finally, so we found the hotel. So this is the room. So after a lot of strife, we did find the hotel finally. Okay, 103. The room is really good. You can see this, guys. We are not missing on anything. It's really good. How do you like the guys? Guys, we are 4 people and staying in one room. Everybody is calling home. I really think that the room is really good. You know? It is as comfortable as your bedroom. You know? These are personal belongings. Jansi has been to the bathroom. We are just getting comfortable, guys, because it was really cold outside. You know, we were shivering. Finally, I don't know whether the view I can provide you with, but the room is very clean. This is the bathroom. You can see. I found this really cozy, comfortable, and it is good. What do you think of this hotel? The name of the hotel is Once. Okay. So we found this guy, so he waited for us for so long because 2 of my friends, they were looking for other hotels, but they could not find it. But this guy who provided us with this hotel, so he waited for us, and then we found this. I will tell you about the cost and everything later. I just wanted to show you, how clean the hotel is. But we really liked it. Hello guys, so you are seeing I still don't know what the name of my channel will be, but so everybody is calling home, and God, it was so cold. Arey yaar, I have that 2 soaps that he had given to me. बैग के उसमें रखे ग्लास मंगाना है और मेन्यू कार्ड भी दिया गया। इसको नहीं, इसको यो ढंग का लगा कोई अबे करना चूतिया डालती तो करना है। You seriously need to be a mad person to dance on this song, and Gyansik is one of them. He's crazy as hell. तेरे पास ये come join him. No, we are not done. Continue. ए पर्दे हटाओ ये dancers on request. मैंने अपने चवारे, चवारा मीन्स डो, लाइट ऑन करो लाइट। अभी धीरज करेगा, दे रहा है। झिंगा लाला हूँ, झिंगा लाला। Yay! Creative dance! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, oh!
नहीं आया, ये नहीं आया।
चेतन आ जाओ सर, जबरदस्ती सर।
Guys, you will keep talking to.
मैंने एक बार आपको समझाना, एक बार मैं आपको समझ लीजिए, डोंट ट्राई। आप पता चलो एक बार
Neeraj, would you like to say something? I'm recording. I'm videotaping. Hello guys, so you can see I am starting my vlog again. So last night we were so tired that we could not record anything. So you can see in the morning of Nainital धूप है यहाँ पे।
वीडियो ले, वीडियो।
धन्यवाद आपका, आपका ये एहसान आपका याद रखूंगा फिर मैं।
Guys, as you can see, there are lots of fishes. You know, people are feeding them. I don't know if it is prohibited, but people are doing as they do not listen. You know, they do not follow. They do not abide by the rules in India. Everybody is not like that, but some of them are. So you can see the beauty that is surrounded by the mountains. We have taken lots of
मैंने बताया ना रेगुलर फ्लाइट है, भैया देहरादून होटल दिल्ली।
Hello guys. अरे यार, let me make this, हाँ.
तो कौन सा
How
एयरपोर्ट
do you
सबसे
feel?
नजदीक है, ये बात चल रही है।
Hello, Gyan Singh.
Hi
You wanna say
guys.
something?
मैं क्या कहूँ, कहने के लायक मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है। इतनी हसीन वादियाँ है यहाँ पर, इतनी हसीन झील है, सारी थकान हरासमेंट भूल चुका हूँ यहाँ पर। ऐसा लगता है कि अगर कहीं पर जन्नत तो वो नैनीताल में ही है, या नैना देवी की कृपा है। बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है, झील है।
मैं निशब्द
निशब्द है आप भी।
माई हार्ट सिंग सॉन्ग।
So guys, I will make more videos for you
जब चली
as we have to move because we all are feeling very
हवा,
hungry.
जब
So,
चली
we haven't had our
ठंडी
breakfast
हवा, जब
He's saying
उठी काली घटा, मुझको है जाने वफा।
Guys, look at the evening of Nainital where we are walking. There is this lake. We will go there tomorrow.
सही है ना, सही लगा है।
हाँ यही था ना वो। There you can walk, sit and have fun. This is a really very calm place with so many people around. So you can come here, enjoy.
मुस्काना चंदन का बदन चंचल चितवन। तन भी सुंदर मन भी सुंदर, तो सुंदरता की मूरत है।
बताओ क्या करना है,
चलो।
क्या है यार?
अरे
यार रूम पे चलते जाओ, आराम करते चल के पहले जाओ।
अरे उसे जाना है।
अच्छा रूम पे जिससे आना है तो पी लेना।
Guys, people are out for the shopping. This is near our lake.
मुझे ना अपने कलम कोटिंग करते हैं।
क्यों? हाँ तो बैग्स ले लेंगे ना, तो क्या है, बैग पैक ही तो है अपने साथ। Guys, what do we miss is the cleanliness that we Indian don't consider, you know, as the part of life. So this is what happens, you know. I mean, we could have sat here, we could have had some, you know, some beautiful moments, but we cannot because, I mean, you can see and have an idea about this. We are totally incapable of doing this. I mean, look at this. Who will not want a photo?